Code of Ethics. The forestry profession is dedicated to the conservation and perpetuation of one of the most vital components of the environment and very important rural resource, the forest. It aims to promote forestry knowledge and to apply science and technology in making the best use of the forest, while safeguarding the soil, the water, the air, the vegetation, the wildlife, as well as the static, social, and other economic values of forests, and to bring about the love of nature and understanding of the environment among the people. The practice of forestry is a privilege to serve humanity. It is a profession uniting all foresters in a corps of practitioners with a common goal and sincere and unselfish desire to serve society and the country. Therefore, in the practice of the professions, the forestry is obliged to adhere to the following norms and guidelines. First, be loyal to the country. Observe the provision of the Constitution and the laws of the land. Respect duly constituted authority. Second, consider public welfare and human values as the guiding principles in decision making, the exercise of the ability and the application of skills as a normal responsibility to society. Ensure that long-term social interests prevail over temporary individual benefits. Communicate with the public and develop national awareness of the social, political, and economic aspects of forests. Serve as a dynamic agent of change in bringing about forest conservation and consciousness. Develop and maintain a high professional prestige, uphold the dignity and the high standards of the forestry profession and take pride in its practice. Put honesty, integrity, and normal values above material and pecuniary interest. Observe proper decorum at all times. With the respect and confidence of the members of the other professions, respect their opinions, be willing to work with them with open but independent mind. Maintain objective intellectual honesty and courage in putting forth in the concepts of forest and environmental conservation and scientific forestry. Respect the interests and integrity of co-workers and observe prudence in making comments on or criticisms on the ideas of work of colleagues in the professions. Be fair and just dealing with co-workers and subordinates. Always work for their welfare. Use and accept merit as a sole criterion for advancement and recognitions. Provide exemplary service to employers, clients, and public. Be honest in all dealings with and handle properly information classified as confidential unless such as expressly disclassified. 9. Contribute to forestry knowledge and share knowledge with other professionals. Develop professional and be informed and up to date on new development in forestry. 10. Strive to develop and derive the maximum potential benefits from the forest, always taking into account ecological values and the needs of the forestry. Thank you.